Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professions Act, 2021. This act has recently been passed by the Indian government and has far-reaching implications for healthcare professionals across the country. So, let's get started. The National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professions Act, 2021 is an important piece of legislation that seeks to regulate and standardize allied and healthcare professions in India. This includes professions such as physiotherapy, occupational therapy, and nutrition science, among others. Prior to the passage of this act, there was no uniformity in the education and training of these professions, which resulted in inconsistencies in the quality of care provided by professionals. The National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professions Act, 2021 seeks to address this issue by providing a regulatory framework for these professions. Let's take a look at some of the key features of this act. First, the act establishes the National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professions, NCEHP, which will serve as the regulatory body for these professions. The NCEHP will be responsible for setting standards for education, training, and practice, as well as maintaining a registry of qualified professionals. Second, the Act requires that all allied and healthcare professionals obtain a license from the NCEHP before they can practice. This will ensure that only qualified professionals are providing care to patients. Third, the Act empowers the NCEHP to take disciplinary action against professionals who violate the standards of practice or engage in unethical behavior. Finally, the Act recognizes the important role that these professions play in the healthcare sector and aims to provide a conducive environment for their growth and development. So, what does this mean for healthcare professionals and patients in India? For healthcare professionals, this Act means that they will need to meet certain education and training standards to be licensed to practice. This will ensure that patients receive quality care from qualified professionals. For patients, this Act means that they can have greater confidence in the care they receive from allied and healthcare professionals. They can be assured that these professionals have met the required standards of education and training and are licensed to practice. In conclusion, the National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professions Act, 2021 is an important step forward in the regulation and standardization of allied and healthcare professions in India. By providing a regulatory framework for these professions, the Act aims to ensure that patients receive quality care from qualified professionals. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this Act, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.